Alright, hello to whoever may be watching this video. This is, or was, a tiny Power Wheels Jeep, all electric, 12 volt, that my son used to drive. Basically, the gear stripped out of it and I decided I wanted to put a gas-powered engine in it for him. And this is what I've gotten so far. Under the hood, the 7 horsepower, 208cc electric start gas engine with a 30 series torque converter. On the side, it's got front suspension out of a 90cc ATV. That's basically the only thing that I've used without building myself. In the back, we've got some 8-inch aluminum wheels with 6-inch wide snowblower tires stretched on. Try to match the same height as the front and width. In the back, we've got 2 gas shocks, steering setup, and what else? Oh, a 64 tooth sprocket, I believe it was. And I will have a disc brake there. I haven't gotten around to putting it in yet, but this body is completely removable. Just picks right off. So everything is serviceable. You can pull the body off. I'll just have it screwed on, probably, maybe a few bolts. And then you'll be able to pull the engine out. Nothing's welded in that can't be removed. If anyone's interested in seeing more, or seeing how I've kind of, where I started from, how I've gotten to this point, and what the plan is for the final product, just leave a comment. I'll get back to you.